Before buying a riding lawnmower, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many mowers seem similar, but the real differences can seriously affect your mowing experience. Let's dig into the top 5 riding lawnmowers for 1 acre and find the one that truly fits your needs. Product number 1, American Lawnmower 120414. The American Lawnmower 120414, this manual push mower caught my attention with its lightweight design and eco-friendly approach, priced at just $72. If you want a budget-friendly way to keep your lawn tidy, this is worth a serious look. The 4-blade reel mower has a 14-inch cutting width and is incredibly easy to maneuver thanks to its durable polymer wheels. It weighs only 19 pounds, so you can push it around without breaking a sweat. Plus, the adjustable blade height lets you choose between 0.5 and 1.75 inches, which is great if you want to maintain your grass at an ideal height without stressing the roots. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Less stress on the grass means a healthier lawn over time. Now, some people complained that it's less effective on taller grass, which can be frustrating if you let it get a bit unruly. But here's the thing, if you keep up with regular mowing, you won't have that issue. It's perfect if you're committed to maintaining your lawn regularly. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an environmentally friendly solution and don't mind a little manual effort. Skip this one if you prefer the ease of powered mowers or have a very large lawn. For the price, you get a solid, reliable mower that gets the job done. Now, if the manual effort of the American lawnmower bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, the Lawnmaster LM-RM1801. This push reel mower stands out with its scissor-like cut and comes in at $104.99. If you want a more efficient cutting experience that promotes a healthier lawn, this is worth a serious look. This mower features an 18-inch cutting width and a motorless design, which means you won't need gas or batteries. The 9 cutting positions give you flexibility, allowing cuts from 1.1 inches to 2.5 inches. This is key because having that range means you can customize to your lawn's specific needs. Plus, the large 10-inch front wheels make it easy to navigate around tight spots or flower beds. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A cleaner cut leads to less lawn stress and better growth. Now, some users noted that it can be hard to push through thicker grass, but honestly, if you regularly maintain your lawn, this shouldn't be an issue. The lightweight design is perfect for smaller lawns where maneuverability is key. This is perfect for you if you want a mower that combines performance with eco-friendliness. Skip this one if your lawn tends to get overgrown between cuts, as you may find it a bit challenging. For what you get, this mower provides a fantastic cut without the hassle of gas. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer an electric mower. Product number 3, Lawnmaster MEB1114K Electric Mower. Let's look at the Lawnmaster MEB1114K Electric Corded Lawnmower, priced at $107.99. If you're after a powerful yet compact option, this is worth a serious look. This electric mower packs a punch with an 11-amp motor and a cutting speed of 3,300 RPM. The 15-inch cutting width makes it manageable for your 1-acre lawn while still providing solid performance. You can easily adjust the cutting height between 1.4 and 3 inches, allowing you to tailor it to your lawn's needs. Here's why this matters for you. With an electric mower, you eliminate the hassle of gas refills and maintenance, making it a lot easier to get the job done quickly. However, some users mention that the cord can be a hassle while mowing, which is a valid concern. But here's the thing. If you plan your mowing route, you can easily avoid that frustration by managing the cord effectively. It's perfectly suited for those who want a quick, efficient mowing experience. This is perfect for you if you want an eco-friendly alternative that doesn't skimp on power. Skip this one if you prefer the freedom of a cordless mower, as the cord can restrict your movement. Overall, it's a solid investment for an electric mower. Now, if the corded aspect of the Lawnmaster MEB1114K isn't your style, the next product is a fantastic alternative. Product number 4, Lawnmaster Electric Mower ME12181X.01. The Lawnmaster Electric Lawnmower ME12181X.01 comes in at $134.97 and boasts a 19-inch cutting width. If you're looking for a reliable electric mower that handles larger lawns, this one is worth a serious look. With a powerful 12-amp motor and a cutting speed of 3,600 RPM, this mower makes quick work of your grass. It features a 2-in-1 function for mulching or side discharge, which gives you options based on your yard's needs. Plus, the 6 cutting height positions from 1.5 to 4 inches allow you to adjust easily. Here's why this matters for you. A wider cutting width means fewer passes, saving you time and effort. Some users have noted that it can feel a bit heavy at 28.3 pounds, which might be an issue if you prefer something lightweight. But honestly, once you get it rolling, the performance outweighs the weight. It's designed for efficiency, and the benefits outweigh the minor drawback. This is perfect for you if you have a medium to large 1-acre lawn and need something that can keep up with it. Skip this one if you have mobility issues, as the weight might be a concern. For the price, it's a solid electric mower that does exactly what you need it to do. Finally, if the weight and size of the LawnMaster ME12181X.01 are too much for you, our last product offers a different kind of comfort for longer mowing sessions.
Product number 5. IceChick Lawnmower Seat Cushion. We have the IceChick Lawnmower Seat Cushion, priced at $22.99. If you're looking for comfort during those long mowing sessions, this is definitely worth a look. This memory foam cushion features an ergonomic U-shaped design that supports your tailbone and minimizes hip pressure, making it perfect for long hours of operation. Plus, it has a non-slip bottom and is machine washable, which is a nice touch for easy maintenance. Here's why this matters for you. The better support means less fatigue while you mow, especially over an entire acre. However, some users found that it might not fit all mower seats perfectly, but honestly, for most standard seats, it works really well and improves comfort significantly. It's a small investment for a big comfort boost. This is perfect for you if you spend significant time on your mower and want to avoid discomfort. Skip this one if you have a uniquely shaped seat, as it may not provide the best fit. For a budget-friendly solution, it's a game changer in comfort during mowing.
So there you have it. The American Lawnmower 120414 is great for budget-conscious buyers. The LawnMaster LM-RM1801 offers a clean cut with no gas. The MEB 1114K electric mower is powerful and compact. The MEB 1218X.01 is perfect for larger lawns. And the IceJK cushion adds comfort to your mowing experience. Assess your needs and you'll find the right mower for your 1-acre lawn.